So today I will be installing my Wet Kiss Hair Store wig. This is a 26-inch wig. Yes, girl, 26-inch. So if you standing too close to me, that means you is 22.6 inches to my hair, okay? It is curly. This is the curly style. And it looks a little crazy right now because I just plucked it, bleached the knots, all that. So, you know, the front part is a little brushed out. The rest is, you know, just doing its own thing. I just wanted to show you guys real quick what comes in the box. So inside the box you get, I don't really know what this is. I don't know if this is a skirt, a shirt, a bookcase. Remember when we used to have them little bookcases on your books? They used to require you to get one that really had nothing to do with school. They give you a wig cap inside for if you need a wig cap. This, I think this is like an elastic band, say if you want to sew it to your head and make it more tighter. But I don't know how to sew. I don't know how to sew a needle, so I'm not going to do that. And then we get this little cute little pouch like this. You know, the little hair bag that you could put, silk bags you keep your hair in. And lastly, we have this Wet Kiss Hair little satin scarf. So at nighttime, or as you can see later in the video when I go to like do my edges and stuff and lay the wig down, I'm gonna put this on like that. I'm just gonna take this little flap, trace out what my ear would be. Now it fits exactly like over my ears. I can go like this. That's exactly how. And we're just gonna do this exact same thing on the other side. Now that we got both sides cut down, they should look like this. So basically we do that so your ears can be seen and it's more, you know, natural looking. And honestly, it just hurts when you don't do it. I'm gonna clip back the hair. Clip it back just like that. So I will be using some of this Bold to Hold glue. This is what it looks like. This is what I use to lay down my glue. We'll lay down my lace. I'm just gonna start gluing it. So I'm gonna start by laying my first layer, and that's just basically to secure the first layer of it, I guess. Yeah. Oop, oop, oop. Oh, hold it. Oh, what's up? Okay. I can't really look into this small little thing to see up close. I'm just gonna have to look into my phone while I do it. So I hope you guys don't mind that. So we're just gonna be laying that cap down. This is just the first layer. You want to do 3 layers, but this is just the first layer. Right where I want it. Doing this, you want to make sure each layer dries clear first. If it doesn't dry clear, it's going to be tacky and sticky and mucky, and you're just not going to like it. So I'm telling you, make sure it dries clear first. So as you can see, it's almost turning clear. If you want, you can go to the next layer, or you could wait it a little bit more. I don't have a plug, so I gotta keep walking away to blow dry the way I have the camera set up right now. So yeah, sorry. So I will come back when we are all dried. Now that we're all dried and all glued up, I'm gonna go ahead and start laying the lace. So I really can't see in this little behind box. I need a mirror, but right now I am just pressing the lace into the glue with my rat tail comb and just really making sure it's in there. Just like that. Like this. I want it to look as natural as can be, okay? I'm gonna do a couple steps. I'm gonna blow dry it. While I do this technique, I'm also gonna flat iron it to really get it straight and flat and have those hairs back, because you know sometimes when you lay your lace, certain hairs might stick to the lace, so we just want it really laid back. So remember when I was talking about the wet kiss, the scarf? So we're gonna use it now. We're gonna take this little scarf, okay, just like that, and I'm gonna press down also because that's gonna really help get that lace, honey. That's gonna get that lace glued. She's gonna give you snatch. She's gonna give you wet lace, okay? So, and like I said, I'm gonna go back to blow dry my hair a little bit, probably for another like 5 to 10 minutes. Depends how I feel, because I get lazy. I'm not a hairstylist. Hello, hashtag makeup artist, but hairstylist by day, by night, whenever you need it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. All right, be back. Okay guys, so I warmed up my hot comb on the stove and I made sure it's not too hot, just right, and we're just gonna smooth them edges back. Be careful, you don't want to burn yourself. Trust me. I feel like I'm about to burn myself, but I'm trying hard not to. Ah, see? Ah, shit. Alright, see? Just smooth them edges nice and back. It's we watching. You ever just watching niggas snap like, what the fuck you doing? I was all smiling hard and shit. What is you doing? Cause if I'm looking at your story like that, other girls are looking at your story like that, and I ain't with it. I'm really sitting here like, so what do I do next? Cause I'm really not a hairstylist, but so I think what's next is cutting this goddamn lace off, right? Right? I'm gonna use a Chinese razor, or I don't know what, that's what like my mom and stuff calls it, so I don't know what you call it. This is a razor, and it has the little jagged stuff on it so that I can cut the lace not straight, because when you cut it straight, that's when it's more easy to tell, because your scalp is not straight across. Like, that's like a man kind of ish. So yeah, you could say right there. Got to be glue free spray, and I'm just gonna spray right in there just so it can melt a little bit more. I'm gonna wipe some of that glue, extra glue, off from my forehead. My battery is dying, literally, I don't know what, so I'm gonna be right back. This is the final look. I'm sorry, I know I went to do my makeup with it and just, you know, fix myself up a little bit, and it was late last night and my camera battery died, so yeah. But this is the finished look. Like I said, this is 200 density, so she is thick, girl. She is thick, okay? But I loved it. I did these 2 little braids. I kind of like messed them up as I slept on it, and I was taking some hair out to do the baby hair, so it's a little messy. But other than that, this is cute, honey. All you gotta do is put a little bit of water on it or some mousse, and I used the Nairobi mousse to do my edges, and I also like to put it on the hair just so it can be like a little bit more tamed and not so big. So just like that. But as far, the curls is really pretty, the hair is soft, it's beautiful. I'm giving you Costa Rican mommy right now. Hello, hello, okay. Que linda. So don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and hit that bell up there for me so you can turn my post notifications on so you guys know when I will be back on YouTube. I know I sound a little like congested and stuffy, you know, this weather been killing me, and I think my sinus has been acting up, so that's why I sound a little funny. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and it was helpful how to install your curly waist wig while we are quarantining, and I hope everyone is being safe. Bye guys, see you next time.